Alex is asking how important is to have the kick and bass in key together, as I hear different views on it. So yes, I'm not. I My songs is about uh, doing something that's like I don't want to mix in key my bass and the kick, because that I think most melodic producers do that. Like they do it on deep house, they do it on progressive, they do it on like different sounds that are really melodic, and they mix those keys. And even on techno, like melodic techno, sometimes I don't do that because I like to have like different. Of course, like it's not completely random, because you can understand if the kick and the bass is like different, extremely different tones. Like it sounds awful at sometimes, but no, I don't mix in key. I don't like it. I think it's not the gangster style.